Android charger cable 3-pack. 6 feet long micro USB cable provides a max speed fast charge from any basic USB wall charger adapter or portable charger to your micro USB phone or device. 3-pack allows you to keep cords stationed in different rooms or cars. Micro USB charging cable. Our charger cords offer a superior phone data sync and charge experience that is a much faster, more durable and safer charging solution than other cords, built to last and to withstand the rigors of everyday use. Heavy-duty braided cable connector. Micro USB charger features a braided covering and extra strength connector joint that can endure up to 15,000 lifetime bends without losing shape, so you can bend, twist and pull without fear of fraying or breaking. Safe charging cables. Certified USB charger cable and will not damage or put your device at risk, safeguarding from overheating, overvoltage and short-circuiting. Dimensions compatibility. 6 feet long USB cables are best used at a distance from your power source as a micro USB adapter and Android fast charger for Samsung Galaxy S6, S7, Fire tablet, Kindle, PS4, Bluetooth speaker, wireless headphones. Top reviews from the United States. Performs great, good value. Have used 2 of these already. Work wonderfully, connections are perfect, item arrived in original packaging just as described. Thank you for the quick service and good value on the product. Have already recommended this product to a friend looking for the same.